welcome aboard to anyone who has just joined us. On your left, you will see Peppergreen Farm, a community-run market garden. These gardens have been here since the 1850s and were started by the Chinese, who made up a quarter of the town's population in 1856. They saw an opportunity to make money by supplying fresh vegetables to the hungry diggers. For many years, their horse-drawn wagons, laden with fresh produce, were a familiar sight around Bendigo. The Chinese also recognised other business opportunities, and one such business was unearthed next to the gardens in 2005, when archaeologists discovered a 19th century Chinese brick-making kiln. It is significant as the only known example of a Chinese brick-making kiln outside of China. In May 2012, the kiln was reopened for a second dig, which helped establish the 10-metre diameter of the kiln and the extraordinary craftsmanship behind its curved and domed shape. On our left, you can see a tram line